Hello students. In this video we will study some very interesting and important properties of normal to parabola. We have some common properties for all the parabolas and we have some standard results for standard equation of parabola. So we consider standard equation of parabola y square is equal to 4ax. We have graph of the parabola. Focus is point S, coordinates are a comma 0, directrix is x is equal to minus a. Now we consider some point P on the parabola whose coordinates are 80 square comma 280. Here T is parameter of point P. Okay. We have drawn normal to parabola at point P which meets the parabola again at point Q. Now we know that axis of parabola is normal to parabola at its vertex. पैराबोला का जो एक्सिस है वो पैराबोला को नॉर्मल होता है. किस पॉइंट पे नॉर्मल होता है? उसके वर्टेक्स पे. दिस नॉर्मल पासिस थ्रू फोकस. फोकस तो एक्सिस के ऊपर ही होता है ना, ठीक है. नाउ दिस इज द ओनली नॉर्मल विच पासिस थ्रू द फोकस ऑफ द पैराबोला. एक्सिस जो है वो पैराबोला का एक लौता नॉर्मल है जो फोकस से पास होता है. इसके अलावा कोई भी नॉर्मल फोकस से पास नहीं होगा. सो वी हैव योर फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी, normal other than axis never passes through the focus of the parabola. Let's prove this. For that we write the equation of normal to parabola at point P. Equation is y is equal to minus tx plus 280 plus 80 cube. Okay. Now if this normal passes through focus, it will satisfy the coordinates of focus. So in the equation we put x is equal to a, y is equal to 0. We get 80 plus 80 cube is equal to 0. T is not equal to 0 because we are not considering vertex. ठीक है, वर्टेक्स के लिए t का वैल्यू क्या होता है? 0 होता है. पर हम यहाँ पे वर्टेक्स के अलावा कोई और पॉइंट कंसिडर कर रहे हैं पैराबोला के लिए जिसके लिए t 0 नहीं होगा. t is not equal to 0. So cancelling factor t from each term, we have 1 plus t square is equal to 0. A also gets cancelled out. Okay. Now this is not possible. There is no real value of t for which t square plus 1 is equal to 0. So this property is proved that normal other than axis of the parabola never passes through its focus. Simple property hai. We have same property for ellipse and hyperbola also. Now this is true for all the parabolas. Though here we have considered standard equation of parabola, but this result holds for all the parabolas. Let's do next property. Okay, now look at the figure. We have drawn tangent and normal to parabola at point P. Tangent meets x-axis at point T and normal at point N. The property is SP is equal to ST is equal to SN. Focus is equidistant from points P, T and N. Proof is simple. Equation of normal at point P is y is equal to minus tx plus 280 plus 80 cube. Okay. Normal meets x-axis at point N. So to get the coordinates of point N, we put here y is equal to 0. We get minus tx plus 280 plus 80 cube is equal to 0. From each term factor t gets cancelled out, so we get x is equal to 2a plus 80 square. So coordinates of point N are 2a plus 80 square comma 0. Now what is equation of tangent to parabola at point P? We have standard equation of tangent. Equation is ty is equal to x plus 80 square. Okay. For the coordinates of point T, we put here y is equal to 0. So we get x is equal to minus 80 square. Okay. So coordinates of point T are minus 80 square comma 0. Okay. Now SP is focal length of point P. SP is equal to A plus abscissa of point P. Abscissa is AT square. Okay, so we have SP A plus AT square. ST is equal to focus and point T के बीच का distance क्या होगा? It's simple. It is A plus AT square. ठीक है ना? सामने दिख रहा है. ठीक है? And SN is equal to distance between focus and point N where normal meets the x-axis. क्या होगा? It is this minus A. So we have A plus AT square. So this is proved that SP is equal to ST is equal to SN. And each length is A plus AT square. Now this property is true for all the parabolas. However, in other equations, SP is not equal to A plus AT square. This is for standard equation of parabola y square is equal to 4ax. But for all the parabolas, focus is equidistant from points P, T and N, where P is point on the parabola and T and N are points where tangent and normal meets the axis of the parabola. ठीक है ना? Okay, now based on this property we have this equation. If the angle between the normal to the parabola y square is equal to 4ax at point P and the focal chord passing through P is 60 degree, then find the slope of tangent at point P. Now in the figure, Pn is normal chord, Pn is normal to parabola at point P, Pt is tangent. Okay. Now we have this property St is equal to Sn is equal to Sp. Focus is equidistant from points P, T and N. Okay. Now angle between normal to curve at point P and focal chord through point P is given. This angle is 60 degree. Okay. Now angle between tangent and normal is 90 degree. Okay. So we have angle TPS is equal to 30 degree. This angle is 30 degree. Now ST is equal to SP. So in triangle TPS we have this angle equal to angle STP. ठीक है ना? So inclination of tangent with positive x-axis is 30 degree. This angle is 30 degree. So slope of tangent is tan 30 degree. This is equal to 1 upon root 3. एक बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन है इस प्रॉपर्टी के ऊपर. एक छोटा सा प्रॉपर्टी है बट क्वेश्चन बहुत अच्छा है.